call them and they come help you.
Yeah,
yes.
Exactly.
That would be really
That'd
cool.
be something.
Maybe they can count the sheep for you as well.
Sometimes it's just hard.
But we had a nice one today.
Oh, today was just such a beautiful day. And we went to Liberty Park. And you know, these longer days, yes, we're changing the clocks this weekend. And yes, the sun will set later starting Sunday. But it's just that feeling in the air. The temperature was 11 degrees warmer today compared to yesterday. Everybody seemed to be out with a smile on their faces. And boy, I'll tell you what, big change though coming in for us tomorrow as a split storm system will be upon us. Here's what it looked like just an hour or so ago as the sun was setting over the horizon. I love to back out of the way so you can see this, but just some high, thin clouds moving in. We got really some nice colors in that sunset, and these are the clouds that are preceding a storm system that will be here tomorrow. Look at the high temperatures. Fairly warm in Montana, Chinook winds blowing there. We were mild, 60s in the southwest, a few 70s around Yuma. But the storm system will arrive here and bring a big change. Let's look at some other numbers. How about 19 this morning in Park City, all the way up to 49. Elko was 47, there's the 54 in Salt Lake. Park City this morning was 12, but the afternoon high was 47. Cedar City was 52, and St. George, you were a chilly 36 this morning, 61 this afternoon. Just a few of the numbers around the region. The high veil, or thin veil of clouds moving across northern Utah are preceding that storm system. It is beginning to rain a little bit around Winnemucca and over towards Reno. So the temperatures we're seeing right now will stay mild most of the night. If you're planning to go out for dinner or to a movie tonight or just over to a friend's house, tonight's not going to be a problem. In fact, tomorrow morning, it will not be raining in the morning. But the storm system where you see here in California, it's 51 in San Francisco, this storm is going to move over the Sierra Nevada. And the computer charts say when it reaches Salt Lake City, when this core of the low pressure, when that moves right over the top of Salt Lake City, it will split. But this time it has enough storm energy that the cold front will reach us and bring periods of rain turning over to snow. So the high pressure ridge moves eastward. Look at that, right there. The bullseye is actually right around Salt Lake City and Provo. And we should see significant snow in the mountains. And then the storm splits. And there could be a wraparound here, this area upsloping Bicknell, Torrey, Loa, maybe up towards Price and Emery County, where you could see some fairly heavy snow lingering into Sunday. So the eastern part of the state, increasing clouds, little precipitation tomorrow afternoon, more so tomorrow night and Sunday, whereas the western side of the state, we're going to see an increase in rain and wind by midday. And if you have friends that are traveling the I-15 corridor tomorrow afternoon, tomorrow night, and Sunday morning, this is going to turn treacherous. Cedar City will have some snow, and Beaver as well as Manti, Nephi. So rain in St. George, possibly a thunderstorm, 58 for your high tomorrow. Sunday, lots of clouds, blustery. And then next week, 70s. Can you believe that? Warmest days of the year. Again, the bullseye is right there along the Wasatch Front. We'll see those 40s in the morning and then 30s in the afternoon, periods of precipitation lingering into Sunday morning. A slight chance for Sunday morning showers. Next week, Tuesday and Wednesday, warmest days of the year. Let me show you some snow totals. Now, in the northern valleys, a trace to 2 inches, half an inch to an inch of water. Could be a good time to fertilize the yard. Use that pre-emergent fertilizer. Benches 2 to 5, Wasatch Mountains 8 to 16. 12 to 24 in the mountains, the I-15 corridor 5 to 10.
All right, and then spring next week.
Next week, coming.